Lishbun piro kikateng jong kikna kibayo hemak ha kisubject baper jong class 12 comma stream abigil renta tiang nabo senior higher secondary school iyo hemak English iyo pramak sneha pol nabo senior mon iyo hemak alternative English iyo prapsau mota saha nabo Don Bosco College Tura iyo hemak ya subject Bengali nyo plaimak Rochira M Sangma napo Don Bosco College Tura ika subjek Garo Nyop Sanmak Aman Kumarai Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School ne yuk hemak ke Hindi Prapo Ferry Filarisawan napo Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Shillong yuk hemak Khasi Kendai Pesamak Wanlal Non-Dikal Ralte napo Adventist Higher Secondary School Thatlasken yuk hemak ke subjek Mizo Sanpopra Monisha Sharma Nongthmai Nepali Higher Secondary School yuk hemak subjek Nepali Prap Armak Ferry Filarisawan napo Saint Mary's Prachi Tripathi napo Nongthmai Nepali Higher Secondary School Monita Roy napo Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Ryan Surong Merthong napo Saint Anmon Higher Secondary School Shillong ini bade erang haju Ferry Filarisawan haka accountancy kini kiwi langur pada hak subjek business studies teki yo hemak yo shispa mark full mark baik hak ini ki subjek and Shai Kupar Terniang napo Sacred Heart Boys High School Shillong hak computer sayan yo kendai armak highest mark ma and Ferry Filarisawan bo Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Shillong hak subjek economics yo kendai palai mark but Rajpal napo Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong hak subjek entrepreneurship yo kendai pinyo mak and Akash Dev napo Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School but Rajpal napo Saint Anthony hak subjek informatic practices yo kendai pusan mak ni arngut yo mark kendai pusan mak tekaju and Ferry Filarisawan napo Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Shillong hi hak subjek mathematics yo shispa mak te tangi nahi ki yumtep kulish bun